Welcome back. This is Ryan Thompson with PyroCMS, and we're continuing on with our build here, and we're on to the FAQ page. So let's pop it open and take a look at the template. Looks like we've got our default block, content, horizontal line can go on the content. What you see is what you get block, and then these. And the way these go back and forth, I think what we'll do is use the blocks or the FAQ block, and then modify the things inside, modify the wrapper and the content view for them. So let's get into that and first find block FAQ. There it is. Oops, composer require, go for it. And what we'll do is similar as to what we did with the what was it, what template were we working on? I believe it was this one. Yeah, the accordion will override the wrapper, similar to as we did with the accordion, and same thing with the content, will override the content view as well. So let's go ahead and get started there. Alright, so we've got the accordion. Let's just start with this. This all looks okay. Yeah, we just containerized it is all we did. Okay. FAQ. So let's go back here and copy our HTML, and then we'll splice it into tags. We'll cut it up. So this is something that we run into every once in a while, where the build team and myself think a little bit differently as far as how are things done. So we'll have to adjust this just a bit to get it cascading the way that we want. Nevertheless, let's start here. Let's see. Clean this up, reduce some clutter. Okay, so here's the actual content from the block. Let's do something like this. All right. Just double check the probably active class here. H5 active. So we'll open the first one. like that. The question and the answer. This, however, I don't think we'll need just right now, so I'm going to comment those out. Okay, so we've completely overridden that. We're dealing with the FAQ. And we'll do the same thing here. Just like that. Let's try putting this together in a page and seeing what we get. Default page type, FAQs. We've got a default banner. We've got some generic content here. A break line. We need to install this. Let's see. Extensions need to be installed, generally speaking. Test title, display it. And if I recall, it's testimonial block. And we'll save. And check it out. Styling's off here. Which I imagine is because we don't have all of the wrapping. Let's see. Fact block. Let's see. There it is. Oops. So no JavaScript errors. Let's put another one in. Add an FAQ. So we're missing the JavaScript here. Let's open up that template. Script for this is probably going to be at the end. Yep, here it is. So we will put this in here with the content. Actually, want this doubling up if there's multiple instances of the block on the page, so I'm going to put this down in asset switch. It's already here. Let's see. Got the block, the container, FAQ blocker gray. I see. Let's do this. Looks like there's a gray alternative, so we'll account for that. Okay. Now we need these to scale side by side, so let's play around with the CSS a little bit here. See if we can use flex. Let's do this. Space between. And leave 1% between them. So open up a new thing there. Fire up mix. Let's do it here. Space between. We'll change this width here. There we go. You get rid of this though. I can never remember how to disable this. Alright, there we have it. And it should, let's see what it looks like if we add one more. Yes. Computer's chugging. There we have it. That'll work. The only thing I see here is this. What is this? H3. Let's do this as well. We don't want to bulk up margins, so let's see. Let's do... This is the identifier that I would usually use, the default. There we go. So we've overrode the styling there. Looks like we're missing fonts. Then we can add another FAQ here just as well. So I will call this one complete. Let's check responsiveness real quick. So we'll want to break these down into 100% at this point. Yep. Let's see. Uh, 100%. Might need a little bit more aggressive than that. Let's see, what do we have? 768. There we go. All right, responsive, calling it done. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take her easy.